Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to bypass your AI generated content from AI Detector application or software without using any additional software or subscribe to any application. So basically, this method is free. There are many AI content generator outside in the market. In this tutorial, we will be using ChatGPT, as ChatGPT is most famous and well known among others. So here I asked ChatGPT to write a 100 words article on how ChatGPT will revolutionize tech industry. And this is the 100 words article content that generated by ChatGPT. So next, I will copy paste this generated content into an AI content detector application. In this tutorial, we will be using this writer.com AI content detector. So let's paste the content and start analyzing the text. So the result says that in this content, only 6% of the content is human generated content, which means that this content most likely generated by AI, which is true. To be more fair to the result, I will be using one more AI detector application, which is content@scale.ai, to do the same test. Again, I will paste the ChatGPT generated content and analyze the text. So this AI detector result with 53% human content score. So it tagged this content as unclear if it is AI content. As you can see, the result may vary according to different AI detector. However, both AI detectors still think that there is a high chance that this content is generated by AI. So what we want is to bypass 100% of our AI generated content from this AI detector. To do that, let's ask ChatGPT to rewrite the article. However, if we just ask ChatGPT to rewrite, it will still generate the content that will be detected as AI generated content. So the trick or method here is to ask ChatGPT to rewrite the article with a high degree of perplexity and burstiness. These keywords will save your content from AI detector. So now ChatGPT regenerated a new article. Let's analyze this content using the same AI detectors. The first generated content was detected with 6% human generated content. Now let's try with the newly generated content. As you can see, it resulted with 100% human generated content, even though it's generated by ChatGPT, which we successfully bypass our AI generated content from the AI detector. Next, we will paste the same content to another AI detector. So in this AI detector, the first draft generated by ChatGPT got 53% for human content score. Let's try out with the newly generated content. As you can see, the human content score increased from 53% to 79%. And this content is tagged as likely both AI and humans generated. Although the content did not manage to get 100% human content score, however, we managed to increase the human content score even though the content was 100% generated by AI. And this is how we generate AI content that can bypass AI detector. AI such as ChatGPT is very useful in generating article or content. Many institutions such as school, university, or even corporates tend to ban AI-generated content using AI Detector. Using this method or trick, you can still use AI to generate content and simplify your work or assignment without being detected. Innovation of technology will not stop because of job replacement. Instead, we should learn how to utilize such powerful technology capabilities to help us perform better no matter in university or career. Here comes to the end of the tutorial. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.